Is that gold?
That's a little piece of gold.
Look at there. Hey guys, we are out in the Arizona desert today, metal detecting for some gold. I'm with some awesome people. I'm here with Dan Hurd from Dan Hurd Prospecting. I got Dylan from B Kings Outdoors, and I got Jim from jacobsbrand.com. We're out here metal detecting this wash, and we're finding some nice gold. I've already found my first piece, so let me get you caught up on what's been going on. We're sitting here in the rain.
Yeah. Yeah.
What?
It's funny. Raining in Arizona finally, and everybody comes down to detect.
Dan's over there trying to stay warm. Drinking his medicine. Jim's over there hunkered down. Rain has stopped for just enough for me to go out and try this detector. Yeah, try that.
Yeah, maybe it's just
A little bit of noise.
a little bit of noise.
False signal.
That's just noise.
Okay.
See, that right there looks good though.
This-
Because you see how it's
Just washed right down.
washed into a pile right here.
Yep. On here, we got our target. Yeah, it's in there, huh? Yep. So let's see it. Just a little piece of wire trash. But that's pretty sensitive. So we're down here in this wash, and I've actually been working up on this bank behind me because Dylan's been saying that a lot of the gold is in the alluvial stuff and it's been washed out and eroded out of this bank, and it's working its way down into the wash. So I haven't been detecting the wash yet, but I have been out in this kind of stuff around these boulders. I've just been working up and down this bank. My strategy has been coming in around some of these bigger bushes like this, where it's really hard to detect. Dylan likes it right in here. This little alluvial fan right out of the side bank here.
Oh, that had a good pop.
I know, it's frustrating. You hear it, and you're like, yeah, that's good, and then you lose it. Yeah. There we go.
So a cool little trick on these is you can actually, when you got like these little monocoils and you can actually turn it on edge.
Oh yeah, like this?
Yeah, and you can pinpoint. I think it was like, oh, we got it now.
We got it.
Huh, well, we should have it. Okay. Oh, it's in here. So it is in there?
I guess.
Okay.
All right, we got it now.
Finally. Oh, there it is.
What do you got? Is that gold?
That's a little piece of gold.
Look at there. We got our first gold. Hey Dan, I beat you.
Sweet for me.
Yeah, that's like our second target.
It just took 10 minutes to dig it.
We had to look real hard for it.
Sweet, there you go.
Rad, man.
It's a little dirty, but
That's cool. Hey, my first Arizona gold. That is awesome. Oh, that was easy. Let's go find some more.
Yeah. I told you.
Dylan's like, oh yeah.
Oh, I told you. Sometimes these little washes, right? How as it rains good and everything comes down and piles up. Sometimes the stuff is just sitting right here at the base of the hill, and
Well, and that was like right on the surface. It was I mean, we didn't dig hardly at all for it.
No, but it was under that bush.
Yeah, it was under the bush. That's right. That's right.
So it was in the root, or right there somewhere.
Yeah. That's cool. Let me get this cleaned off a little bit. Every one of the guys I'm down here with today have another YouTube channel, and Dylan and Jim both have companies that if you're interested in coming out in the Southwest and looking for gold, whether you're detecting or dry washing, they can help you out. I will leave a link in the description below so you can find them both on YouTube and their companies. And if you're ever around, I am having a blast out here with these guys, and we are finding some nice Arizona gold. I've got this little 5-inch coil. It works really well, and it's pretty sensitive. That piece I found earlier, Dylan thinks about 0.4, 0.5 grams. He said you can actually detect down to about 1/10 of a gram with this thing if you can get close enough to it. But with that discrimination mode on, it may take a couple passes with the coil to discriminate out hot rocks or other trash, but I'm able to cover a lot more ground. And so here what may be giving me some problems is these red hot rocks. And even on discrimination mode, I can get kind of a signal off them. And it's these guys look like some kind of red volcanic. Showing Dan my first nugget here. My first, not my nugget, my first nugget.
Your first nugget. I like the way you think. I had to remind myself what gold looked like.
Yeah. How have you been doing this morning?
A lot of trash.
Yeah.
A lot of trash.
Well, someone needs to clean up out here.
Yep, that's what I'm doing.
Like Harry said the other day from Mine Operator, he's into the custodial arts.
Oh, that's beautiful.
Yeah, nice little piece, huh?
Yeah, I alluded to the fact that you found something on my video, but I think I'm gonna, leave it to the viewers to watch your video to see this.
Oh, right on.
Oh,
Cool.
yeah. I'll play it up a little bit on my video.
Well, hopefully you have some luck too here. We've only been out, what, an hour or two?
Yeah.
We've got lots of time.
Lots of time still.
Yeah, lots of time to find more of that.
Nice.
I have a really good signal here. I found it under this bush. It's showing non-ferrous all the way. Nice and uniform. Let's see what it is. Ah. Pop can. Aluminum. It's non-ferrous. So this is some of the stuff you've been finding.
Yeah, so this is everything I found with detectors.
On this claim or in Arizona?
In this
region.
Yeah, in this region. So that's the 3.4 crystal piece. These ones are gorgeous.
With quartz on them, yeah.
Yep. That one as well. I might have to pull those out so you can get a better look. This one I think is 4 grams, and it does have a bit of quartz on it. Then this one is beautiful specimen. Little guy, but when you flip it, it's got more.
Yeah. That gold in quartz like that is just, it's killer.
Beautiful.
Now I think I have a little bit better understanding about how it discriminates out some of these targets. And so now I'm going to go back out against this wash talus slope, and we're going to try some more. So I've come back to some of these targets Dylan and I were looking at, and once I turned off the discrimination, I was able to better pinpoint these smaller pieces. There's a little tiny piece of aluminum, it looks like. Dan just crashed his drone into the saguaro cactus. But Dan, did you get the shot? Yes. Oh, the life of a YouTuber.
Dylan doesn't have to find the squirrel.
I'm over on the edge of the claim now, and I'm kind of really getting the hang of this. I think 2 things are happening. One, I'm over on the edge of the claim, so I'm starting to get a whole lot more signals, and I think that's because people don't venture this far away from the cars. But also I'm finding a lot of this little tiny lead shot, these little tiny bird shot pieces. They're coming up as non-ferrous, and I can discriminate them out, so it's working really well. And so as long as you're finding little pieces of lead, sooner or later I'm going to find some gold. We found this piece of quartz in the wash. And it's registering something non-ferrous inside. So we'll have to, what do you think, break it open? Or
do you wanna
maybe.
do with it?
I mean, I don't know. It's got some pretty good. It's got some banding here and a little bit of mineralization there. I could just drop it on a rock, see what happens. That was kind of right in half where it was ringing, huh?
Well, it's got good color in there.
Yeah.
So the big trunk still has it.
I got my boot out there, sorry.
Well, that's that corner right there
Yeah.
with those pyrite cubes.
Throw it in the crusher.
I know. Throw in the crusher.
Throw it in the crusher.
We need. Everybody needs a jaw crusher. That's what I say.
Absolutely.
Everybody does need a job.
Solid rock.
Solid rock.
I say chuck it on a rock.
We've got the Flintstone method still.
Ow!
Oh boy. Oh,
I think you hit the rental vehicle.
a rental car. Here, let me go this way.
Who taught you to throw rocks?
I wonder if you want to turn?
No.
Anybody else? If somebody else wants to do this.
There you go. Oh, I see it. I see green. I see green in a big way.
Oh, I see a lot of green here.
Yep. Oh, I see metallics. We've definitely got the galena. Definitely got the copper. Definitely got gold.